In this video, I won't waste even a second of your time, and I'll show you how you can create talking animation videos like these big creators using free tools. First, we need an animator, and for that, we'll go to ideogram. Once you're there, you need to input this prompt, and I've already provided the prompt in the description, so you can copy it from there. After entering the prompt, scroll down and select 3D render, illustration anime, and dark fantasy. Then, in the aspect ratio section, select 16:9 and click generate. As you can see, some amazing images have been generated. If you don't like any of these images, you can regenerate them. Now, you might have noticed that many YouTube characters wear masks. It's not that their characters are sick or that a virus is spreading. The simple reason is that if you animate your character wearing a mask, you don't need to sync the mouth movements word by word. Now comes the part where we animate your character, and for that, we will use the HeyGen AI tool. Once you are in ZEGG, you'll see an option for AI Studio at the bottom. Click on it, and then at the top right corner, you'll see an option, Create with AI Studio. Click on it. When this page opens, you'll see an option for Photo Avatar at the top. Click on it, and then upload the character you downloaded from ideogram. Next, you'll see the script option. Click on it, and then click on Add Script. You can leave the text as it is or write a few lines since we will mute this video later anyway. After that, click on the Submit option, and your video will be generated, ready for download. Before moving on to the next step, watch the video to see how it turned out.
Hey there YouTube creators, have you ever dreamed of having a professional look?
Now, let's move on to removing the watermark from the video. I'll show you a quick trick that's easy and doesn't require any tools. You can go to any editing software. I use Canva here. First, upload your video into your editing software, and then upload the image from your video. Now, as I crop this image, you should do the same. As you can see, the watermark is now removed from the video. After that, mute the volume of your video to 0 and save it. Now let's move on to the last step, which is for those who want to enhance the quality of their video. First, watch your video. If the quality looks fine to you, you can skip this step. But for those who feel the quality is a bit low, this step is for you. To enhance the quality of your video, use the VMake AI tool. After going to VMake AI, scroll down, and you'll see an option for Video Quality Enhancer. Upload your video here, and the tool will enhance its quality. After that, you can download the enhanced version.